Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Yes, all about my Ford Focus ST. That one there, my Mark II 2.5 litre turbocharged car. What's today's video about? Some of these, if it works. These are basically fog lights. They're LED upgrade, ones that I bought online. And the reason I'm going to change them, well, let me turn the car around and show you. There we go. Well, if you can see, a while ago in a previous video I upgraded the side lights to LED bulbs by the same brand. This car's actually got xenon headlights fitted, so the low beams are really bright and white. The fogs, if you can see, I've left the car running obviously, yeah, they're a little bit yellow. So what I'm going to do is unclip these, slot them out, change the bulbs over, but I'm first going to put it up onto my miniature little ramps that are only about this much high, just to give me a little bit of clearance on the car. So I'll bring it forward, do that, and then swap them out. Right, so I've parked the car up, and as you would have seen in the previous video, I sprayed these. They're starting to get a little tatty with stone chips all over them, but then the front of the car is as well. Interestingly enough, I may have mentioned this in a previous video, my car's got a scuff on the corner of the bumper. Now apparently it happened at work, but nobody knows when, and nobody knows how long ago. It was actually somebody that pointed it out to me and said, "Did you see that on your car?" And to be honest, I hadn't actually noticed it, and I don't know, to be honest, if I can polish it out, or as the bumper needs a lot of work anyway, yeah, change it. But anyway, I'm going to be using one of these again to get this out. This literally unclips. There's a secure Torx in there, so I'll go and get my little set and tell you what size it is and take it on out. Right, so the actual Torx piece I used was a T25. That's the size, pretty standard size on a Ford actually. There's one Torx bolt in there and one Torx bolt in the top, after which you can unslide that quite easily. There's a little clip retaining the light in itself, so let's take that out. So there we go. Again, it's a little bit windy, but that's the little retaining clip. But I always unscrew the bulbs from this unit and then remove the bulb from there. It's just easier. I'm going to go and give this a quick clean, because it's obviously never been out before. And yeah, hopefully I don't get blown away with the wind. So here we are, back at the car. I've given them a quick clean. I've obviously, the glass is a little bit pitted. Not too sure whether I should wet sand do that, but for the time being, I'm just going to put one of these bulbs in. H11 bulb, that's the fog light bulbs. I believe these ones are, were they 6,000? Yeah. 6,000 K white, and I think they were either 30, oh, actually 50,000 hours. So given how little the fog lights are on, let's take one out for you. That's the actual unit. I'm assuming there's only one way in. Is there a positive and negative? I'll test it outside of the car. Oh, there you go. Hard to see, and it's very windy, but positive and negative. Right, there we go. So I'm not sure I've got to make any changes. Oh, there are some little instructions in there. Or is it stickers? We offer 24-month guarantee, flickering, no light, error warnings. Right, let's have a look. Let's put one in and see what it does. So there we go. As you can see, yeah, I've put it in. I'm going to take the other one out and try the other one. It's getting very windy, so I think there may be a storm on the way. So let's get that back into the actual light unit and get that back in and do the other one and show you what they look like together. Right, so let's put this back in. As I say, when you put these in, they're only screwing into plastic, so you do not need to murder them. You just need to literally just pinch them up and then they're done. The fog light unit will actually rest in there on those little plastic lugs. If you push it, which gives you the opportunity to go and get one of your screws, put it in. Like I say, there's a lot of thread on them. But I'll just pinch it and then I'll put the bottom one in, as I say, which goes in the bottom corner over this side. Probably easier to start it with your finger and thumb, says me. There you go. Being plastic, you don't want to chew the thread up at all. Let's try and get the Torx belt in line. I mean, just ever so slightly pinch it. Same as that one. There you go. Now these, when you put them back in, you want to make sure that that little lug there sits in that little slot, and those two side ones sit in the back like that. Then it's in, and then you've got your one to go in the front. Right, so there we go. Fog lights are in. As you can see, they're brilliant white. The dipped and brilliant white. Side lights are brilliant, but the main beam look yellow. Brilliant, eh? Right, so in order to see me change the main beam bulbs, you'll have to come back in the next video. But those fog lights look really, really good. So there we go. Video's complete. As I say, a very quick guide on how to change your fog light bulbs. They're a definite upgrade. I won't be using the car tonight, so I can't add anything to this video, but I'm sure I'll do a short clip soon of the headlights and fog lights when they're all uprated in the night time. Right, so what there is for me to do now is take the car off the ramps, tidy up my camera stand, and then yeah, look forward to you in the next video where I'll be upgrading the main beam headlight bulbs. Wow.